Hi! So yeah, how long has it been since I made a video? I don't care. I don't care. So yeah, basically things have been poo. They've been poo. That's the right word for it. But yeah, they've been poo. Just came to break. You know, life sucks. People suck. People suck. Yeah. So, nothing really interesting has happened lately. Yeah. Dyed my hair blue though. See? Do you enjoy it? Do you enjoy the color? Yeah, I used Manic Panic After Midnight Blue in some parts of it. I don't know if you can tell or not. Or Shocking Blue. Kind of. I don't know if it turned out different or not. Can't really tell because I haven't styled my hair. And don't send me Facebook requests. Don't ask. So yeah. Part of the pooey stuff, if I even want to talk about it. Obviously, I do, because I'm making this video. So yeah, I'm in a tank top. Matches my hair, ironically. Going on. The poo part. Where to begin? Well, it all started when I confronted Harrison about him being distant and more cuddly towards his best friend. Crap. Yeah. So yeah, we broke up then. And we were gonna go prom together still. But then by the time we got to prom, we weren't talking at all anymore. So it was like, I can't make it. Yeah. And then about a week after we broke up, I used to get this guy Noah. He was basically like my first ever real boyfriend because it lasted more than a month. And yeah, we broke up after a month. And then he texted me like a week after that, asking me if I wanted to see a movie. You know, The Dictator. Creepy movie. Lots of penises. But yeah. So he texted me and I was kind of weirded out because we don't really talk. No, we don't. We don't really text at all. So yeah, I was kind of weirded out. I was like, okay, what time? So, you know, I got all ready for the movie. I drive up there. My dad's like, you want to make sure that if it's wrong or something, you want me to stay here, so in case you need a ride home. And I was like, nah, you can go on home, because, you know, I do get random calls from people. It's not booty calls. Not booty calls. But yeah. And, so I go inside. I stand there for a bit looking for him. He walks out with his friend's stepdad. And it turns out, he texted the wrong Allison. Yeah. So that was kind of a dickhead move. But I ended up watching it with him, and I figured out that he and his friend, should not say names here. He and his friend have turned into the biggest jerks I've ever seen. The ride home was ridiculous. It was, ugh. Yeah. So that was pretty damaging to my self-esteem. And then, basically since then, I've been a pessimistic person. Kind of. Not really, because I don't really like being pessimistic. But it's hard being optimistic, you know? Yeah. So I haven't really had much interaction with people outside of my own little internet world. There's been family, but that's it. Though I am going to 2 birthday parties tomorrow, and that'll be interesting. One of them is a square dance. Not that I don't like parties or my friend. Square dance. It's not really my cup of tea. And then the other one's quinceañera. Mexicano. Ah, why did I say that? Yeah. So, that's basically been it. Other than my family being family. Yeah. Yeah. You should have seen the bathtub when I was rinsing out the dye. God, it looked like the Grudge was gonna pop out and like, ew. But don't even, ugh. No. No. So yeah. I'm glad to make this YouTube more lively. Even though I'll probably be the only one to make a video. Lazy bums. But yeah, 7 minutes. It's long enough, right? I did pretty good. So yeah, that's basically it. Tank top. Ah, it's even worse. What is wrong with me? So yeah, I'm gonna go now. You have a nice day, even though people in this world suck. Bye-bye.